Hey there, friends. Hope you're doing great today. How's your garden doing? Got any stories or ideas to share with me? Let's chat in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Last time, we made the base of our vertical garden using a recycled 120-liter plastic barrel. It had planting holes and a central opening for composting. If you missed it, check out part 1 in the link below. Now, let's build the compost tube. I used a recycled 114mm PVC pipe, about 1 meter long. Feel free to use any size that fits your barrel's center hole. Cut a 5 cm ring from the same pipe, then slice it open so we can spread it. We'll wrap this ring around the compost tube, 5 cm from the bottom. Secure it with rivets. It'll act as a stopper to keep the tube fixed inside the barrel. At the bottom, drill 4 12mm holes and cut 2 4 cm long slots. These slots will hold the drain cap in place later. Then, drill 12mm holes along the tube, up to about 60 centimeters. These holes let worms travel between the compost and the planting soil. Use a matching PVC end cap. Drill 2 holes 15 mm from the edge, tap them with M10 threads and insert M10 times 20 bolts. These will secure the cap to the tube using the slots we made earlier. Also drill several holes in the flat part of the cap. This lets compost tea and excess water drain easily. cap on top to keep smells in and bugs out. You can open it to add kitchen scraps for composting. Now let's assemble everything. Install it in your home garden where it gets full direct sunlight. Place the barrel on a sturdy base. You can use bricks like a tripod. Make sure there's room below for the leachate basin. Insert the compost tube into the center hole. Lock the bottom cap in place using the M10 bolts. Place a small old plastic basin under the barrel to collect compost tea. Reusing things like this helps reduce plastic waste. Now fill around the compost tube with fluffy vegetable soil, don't compact it. It should stay breathable for roots and worms. You'll need around 120 litres of soil. Top off the grow holes too. Now add some earthworms on top of the soil, not inside the compost tube. They'll find their way naturally as the compost breaks down. Give your new garden tower a gentle watering. Let's plant some seedlings in the grow holes. This is the part kids love. Invite them to join the fun. It's best to plant in the late afternoon so plants can adjust overnight. Avoid planting during strong sun, wind, or rain. Each day, add small bits of kitchen waste into the compost tube. Veggie scraps, eggshells, fruit peels. Reuse the compost tea you collect to water your tower. This saves water and boosts plant growth. And just like that, you've turned trash into treasure. Organic waste becomes clean food right in your backyard. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. In upcoming videos, I'll show you how to make automatic watering, grow in low light, speed up composting, and more. Let's build a greener world, one garden at a time. Thanks for watching and being part of this mission to save the planet.